Hey guys, in this video we'd go over how to fix Microsoft not sending a verification code text. It's very easy. There's several factors that could be at play. One is your network settings, network issues. So make sure you are on a proper internet connection. Then when you are on your email, if that is your recovery, make sure you click here on more and check your spam. Sometimes things go on your spam. So make sure you check here. And if you're using your phone number to verify, just go ahead and make sure that the phone number that was entered was correct. Okay, and verify that you're not facing a temporary block due to unusual activity. Maybe your phone service is down. Okay, you can also consider using a different verification method like a phone call or checking your um, junk spam folder as I showed you. Okay, so go ahead and do that, and that should fix your issue. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to Quick Fixes.